All right, we are here. Just picked up this vintage fridge. And I think I found nice Spartan.
I don't know if
Yeah, maybe just peeking through the windows would work.
Oh, you can look there.
Oh yeah, that's... What about this one here?
The door, I think the door will open on here. The wood's all missing, but you can take a look inside.
Yeah. Let me take a look inside of this one first. Oh, it's not bad. Okay.
Broke my brush.
Okay.
And of course, you can look through the other windows on the other side.
Yeah. Okay. This one might be too damaged, but that one might still.
But is this door open?
Got the electrical.
I got both of these, I think, from the same guy.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
How long have you had them?
years. At least 10 years.
Okay. Yeah, here, I'll help you.
Oh, you have to.
Oh, you gotta pop it open?
Yeah.
All right. The couch.
Been a long time since I've been in here.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
I think my granddaughter was in here.
All right, guys, we're in Bouse, Arizona. Bouse, Arizona. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but just picked up this vintage fridge. I'll show you guys what it looks like once I get it down. But we loaded it up. Everything's ready to go, and we just took a tour of the Spartan that you guys just saw. And I'm just heading out, and I wanted to show you guys this other old 1950s mobile home out here in Bouse, Arizona. It's a nice Spartan. So yeah, let's head back to Phoenix, and it was a pretty nice little adventure. Fridge pickup on the Fiat. Fiat, this is probably the biggest load the Fiat's ever hauled, so let's get back down to Phoenix. All right, guys, so here it is. This is what we picked up in Bouse. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Bouse, Arizona. Vintage General Electric fridge. Check it out. All original. I just cleaned it. Deep cleaned it the other day. So just wanted to show you guys the final result of the vintage treasure hunt we did out there in Bouse, Arizona. Check it out.